In this video, we will discuss about what are the hedge fund regulations. Hedge fund regulations can be complex with some of the oldest rules dating back to the 1930s. On the other hand, the Dodd-Frank Act of 2010 has led to some of the most significant regulations in the hedge fund space in recent memory. These act regulatory not only the hedge fund industry but alter the way the entire investing marketing works. In essence, hedge funds are afforded more flexibility than other listing because they are formed around expectation to the laws. The Investment Company Act of 1940 came as a response to the Wall Street crash of 2019. The first manual fund was established in 1924 and the investment vehicle was massively popular. The insurer crash that followed this spike in investing led to the worst economic depression in American history. Unfortunately, a lot of the regulations that are now that mandate the disclosure of financial information from financial companies was not law at the time. At its core, the Act defines what an investment company is and mandates that those companies disclose information. The Act applies to all kind of investment vehicle and it helped mold the formation of the modern Securities and Exchange Commissions. The Act does not just apply a public listing but also private equity and even hedge funds. Under the Act, hedge funds must abide by certain rules to be exempt from disclosing financial information. One of the important areas of the law comes from Section 3C1. This section exempts hedge funds from being labeled as an investment company. It states that a fund is expect from the investing company act if it is held by fewer than 100 people. This is an important example from the law because it could impact whether you can buy into a particular fund. Some hedge funds will market themselves as a Section 3C1 fund. Section 3.7 is another key area of the law, and like 3C1, these exceptions also limit the number of investors that a huge fund can have. It also restricts the type of people that can buy into the fund to accredited investors and qualified purchases.